Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix no drives were found. Click load driver to provide a mass storage driver for installation or simply no driver for Windows setup. So if you're having this issue guys, so there is actually an easy fix for this. So in here I have free software for you. So I'll just link this one to the description. All you have to do is download this. And you just have to go over and run this software by installing it. Once done installing it, you just have to click this one load driver and you just have to load the software that is that you've installed earlier, which is this one IRST. So this is a very reliable driver fixer, especially if you have problems like this. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and